Redlands Unified School District uses Aeries Communications powered by ParentSquare for school-to-home communication. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to log into your Aeries Communications powered by ParentSquare account, both in a web browser that you can do on your teacher computer or laptop, and also on a mobile device. Let's start off with the browser-based version first, because this is the more full-featured version that you probably want to use as a teacher. You're going to start by logging into your Aeries account. And once you're in Aeries, you're going to look at the left-hand menu over here, and you'll notice one of the options is Communications. Click the Communications link, and you'll get this little pop-up that says, hey, you're going to be redirected to an external website. You can click OK, or if you wait a second, it'll do it automatically. And then it will automatically send you over to ParentSquare.com and log you into your Aeries Communications account. And you'll notice that up here at the top, it says Aeries Communications, powered by ParentSquare. And then from here, you can use this interface to post messages for your class, to send messages to individual parents, and also take a look at alerts and notices. Next, we'll take a look at how to log into your Aeries Communication account powered by ParentSquare using the ParentSquare app. Since Aeries Communications is powered by ParentSquare, we can use the ParentSquare mobile app to access our Aeries Communication accounts on our phones. If you'd like to do this, the first step will be to head either to the iOS App Store or the Android Google Play Store and download the app onto your mobile device. Once you find the app in the App Store, you'll be able to press either the Get or the Install button to start the installation process and get the ParentSquare app installed on your phone. After you have the app installed, go ahead and launch the ParentSquare app. And when you do so, you'll see this login screen. Now, to log into your ParentSquare account, what you're going to do is go to the email or cell phone space up at the top, and you're going to type in your redlands.k12.ca email address. That is the one that is tied to your Aeries Communication account. After you type in that email address, if you know your ParentSquare password, you can type that into the password box and then sign in. Or if you don't know your ParentSquare password, you can simply click the Forgot Password button down at the bottom. If you use the Forgot Password option, it will then send you a verification code to your work inbox. You'll need to look up that verification code and then go ahead and type that verification code in on this next screen. You'll then tap Verify, and afterwards it'll give you a chance to establish a new password. You can then click Continue or the Change Password button, and that will bring you into your ParentSquare account and allow you to access Aeries Communication on a mobile device.